right again. How are you feeling?
Good, man. I'm getting ready for service.
Yeah.
Got me in my most noble job here. I'm basically Tony Soprano, waste management business.
Good.
Well, good getting on that, dude.
The all-important mac and cheese at a barbecue restaurant.
Gotta have it. Is that a season?
Yeah.
Alright, our special for the week. You guys seen the bear? Make sure your POS is ready to go. There you go.
Stripes out, knuckle savers.
Alright guys, so we're about an hour out from starting service right now, so we're getting all this bread sliced up for Italian beef, getting stuff warmed up, briskets are on, some chicken is going on right now on the smokers, and yeah, excited to start. It's gonna be a good day. Go time.
Howdy.
We're done with lunch service. We got Sam back there loading on more food already, and then we got briskets still. They're gonna be ready to wrap soon. What else we got in there? Hominy for catering.
We got a bunch of pork bellies in there.
Still a lot of food going on right now, but pretty good lunch service. Still a lot of sandwiches.
Yeah,
people like the pork belly with the fish sauce, so
that Italian beef went really well.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Peach?
Yeah.
Dude, it's for being
enjoyable
and like it's just refreshing. It's
yeah.
As we're waiting for briskets to finish, I just wanted to go to the third floor of the spot just to get a better view of Hood River. And this is where the Grassland food truck is, and this is downtown Hood River. It's a cool area over here. And then on the other side,
I try and take them as long as possible, which is why I'm trying to keep that meat split.
it works. Look at that masterful work right there.
It's like the same ratio too on both of them. Shit.
Amazing.
Told you I'd be here, man. Probably tomorrow too.
Awesome, awesome.
Thanks, Kyle. Thanks, dude.
And Jake from State Farm.
Magic dust coming out of the Lowry shaker.
You can't get that kind of color with just Lowry's.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, guys, it is now Sunday morning, so it's my last day at the food truck. We're all very tired. It's been a very busy weekend, which has been great. It's been really cool to see a bunch of people who came in from all over the place, honestly. We had some dude who drove like 2 hours one way just to get here, so it's super cool. Today we got our tri-tip that we're kind of serving it with the punch-on that we did with the Korean barbecue pop-up I did earlier this year. And we still got our fish sauce caramel pork belly burn ends. We have a few more portions of the purdak that we're serving with the Fritos, and it's actually really good with the corn chips. And that's what we're gonna do today, get some prep done, and then get ready for lunch service at 11:30.
Joe, you know what time it is? T-Swaz! T-Swaz Sunday. Yeah, girl? Yeah.
I am not good at this. Such tight corners. Okay, so I'll edit it to make it look like you did it. It's extra smooth.
Super quick. Do it at 1.5 speed. Bam.
Sweet. Dang, that looks good.
Coming in hungover today.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, yeah. And then the guy that does the tri-tip like right here. Grab the tri-tip out of here. That's about perfect.
There you go.
Yeah, I think we can do a third.
I think so too.
That's everything, right?
That's it. Taste.
The Korean fold over.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Money?
Fucking
Oh,
hell.
yeah.
Behind you, Jeff.
I'm in heaven.
Alright.
I'm in heaven. Wow.
Fryer is on, right? Correct. It's not smoking, so wasn't sure.
Wait, no. There's gas? Yeah. Oh, come on.
Just another one of those struggles of being on a food truck, huh?
Oh, wow. Got it.
All of these.
Probably do this again, the marrow. We'll let you know when you're here at the end of service.
I can take tip for one.
Welcome
Heard.
back, sir.
I didn't notice they have the beard fight
What's
down
that?
there.
All right, folks. So it's we're pretty much done with service right now. We got a couple more people in line. A lot of people came by and had the Korean plate with the tri-tip on it, and it was fantastic. I want to say thank you to the guys at Grasslands for allowing me to be here. They invited me because they wanted to do these kind of menu items with the pork belly, with fish sauce caramel, with the tri-tip that they normally do on Sundays, but doing it with all like the panchan, wanting to do the purdak. And so it was just super cool just being able to work with guys that want to do new things, and again, I'm wanting to push the barbecue culture forward. So I just want to give a huge shout out to them. And if you guys are around Hood River, if you guys are in Oregon, or some people came from Seattle, so if you guys are in the area and haven't checked them out, definitely do so. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one.